Welcome, this is PNK TV, where I'm telling you things are getting worse every day. This musician called Ringtone Apoko, the entertainer Ringtone Apoko, has sensationally claimed his counterpart Bahati. His wife Diana Marua and their entire family are living in emotional distress. Ringtone disclosed Bahati is depressed after he failed to clinch the Mathare MP seat in just concluded 2022 general election and after using a lot of millions. Speaking during an interview, Ringtone said Bahati's stress has split over to his wife Diana and has been suffering silently as she tries to help her hubby heal. According to Ringtone, he is the reason why Bahati is still alive. The Pamela star added that he is the one who has been talking Bahati out of depression and suicide. Let me quote the exact words he said. Bahati is stressed after losing the Mathare seat, and as his friend, we have been having a tough time trying to encourage him. We are trying to tell him he was called to be a gospel musician and not a politician. Even Diana has gone MIA. It is because he has a lot on her plate dealing with Bahati's stress. End of quote. Ringtone confirmed he has been talking to Bahati regularly to ensure he remains focused despite everything he is currently going through. And I quote, "I talk to Bahati like every day. You know, Bahati can even commit suicide if I don't talk to and guide him. I always encourage him. And if it was not for my effort, you would have gone to Bahati's funeral." Ringtone added. Ringtone and Bahati have been fighting online, offering their fans free entertainment while at it. The two stars, however, are good friends who always hang out together despite their many fights on social media. What are your thoughts on what Ringtone is claiming? Do you think Bahati is close to committing suicide or something? What's your opinion? Please don't hesitate to drop your comment on the comment section down below. Let's get to know what you think about this whole issue, about the Bahatis and their silence. You are up to date. Don't forget to subscribe and to turn on post notification bell. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.